Hi, good morning everybody. Teacher Everson here once again with you. And today I'm gonna bring a little review of the verb to be. Remember, verb to be, we can say about jobs, about profession. I am a teacher. Or for places, for example, I am in São Paulo. I am in São Paulo. I am in São Paulo States. Eu sou ou eu estou. Ser ou estar. Let's check it out some more examples. Come here. Do you know my blog? teachereverson.blogspot.com. And here, click the menu. Here in this tab, you're gonna click here. The verb to be. And then it's gonna show us some examples of verb to be. How to use the verb to be. Very easy, it's very simple. Here it's a review, okay, we have done this before. So, singular, I am, you are, he is, she is, it is. Plural, we are, you are, and they are. Okay, remember, verb to be, ser, estar. I am in São Paulo, I am a teacher, eu sou professor. Also, here we have the contractions. I'm, your, his, she's. It's, oops, better, bigger now. It's, where, your, and their. Okay, so the contractions of the verb to be. With the pronoun and the verb together, we have the contractions. Okay, thank you very much. That's all for now. I'll see you soon. Bye.